Hey guys, it's Ashley, and today I'm going to be showing you my room, which has been pretty much in the making since early July. Now my room is finally done. It's literally November when I'm filming this because I've been kind of putting off filming for a little while. So I'm just going to show you guys the process from July, back when I did not have bangs or anything, all the way to now, to how my room looks currently. So I hope that you guys enjoy. I'm gonna have Andrew also take you guys around my room, and he's gonna help me show you guys what my room looks like right now, right Andrew?
Yes.
Yes. So thanks Andrew. Let's get right into it. So guys, this is where I'm sleeping tonight.
Ashley's sleeping on top of the plastic cover and I'm sleeping under it.
I will include some pictures of my beautiful old room. I don't really have that many good pictures, so just bear with me, but like... You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Oh, this is surprisingly easy. Should I open the window?
Perhaps. It's really hot out.
Ow! Okay. Yeah, but then what if I die of paint inhalation?
That's just too bad.
Yeah. Andrew! Do you want to paint with us? Go in there. Go in there.
This is awesome, Ashley. Me and Andrew have already painted that whole corner before. Why are you going over it?
Why do my armpits actually smell like chlorine?
Okay, nice job.
Thanks.
That's awesome.
We made a mistake. Help!
Ashley spilled this paint everywhere.
Amber pushed the paint everywhere.
Slap the wall. Slap the wall fast. Ashley, quick.
Wait, but
quick.
let me get my whole handprint then.
It's not gonna show up that well.
My armpits smell bad. That was kind of lame. How to paint wall tutorial. TBH, I'm afraid that this will not come off my hand.
No, it will. It's water soluble. Just go wash your hand.
Yeah, well then let me dump water on my walls. Oh my god, I don't want to paint my walls this color.
Shut up! I painted the ceiling.
Guys, I slept here last night on the plastic bed. And you're jealous.
I didn't because I'm not a stupid fool.
Nah, you're jealous.
Why would you willingly sleep in paint fumes?
There's a mother spider.
Where?
He's getting pushed into the paint.
Andrew, no. Andrew, please don't.
Stop.
Andrew, stop. Andrew, no. Just let him live. Andrew.
He's already dying, bro. He's stuck in the paint. He's left there.
You're dying. You're stuck in a paint.
Can you just give
Ashley, help!
What?
I sat on the wall.
Amber, that kind of sucks though, because those shorts weren't even that bad.
Yeah, you gave them to me.
Mom gave
What should
them
I
to me.
do?
Well, that's
Sit
just...
on both sides?
No, Amber! No, Amber! No, and it's not even even.
It's not?
Oh!
Wow, that's amazing and beautiful. Ah!
Bubby, sit. Good boy. Here, talk to the camera.
What do I have to do?
You have to hold the camera while I show around the room. Is it on?
Yes.
Like it's
Oh
still
my god,
filming?
I'm gonna faint.
Are you dead ass?
Everything's going black.
Oh, that was pretty good. Okay. Hi guys. Wait, I already did the intro. So right now I'm gonna show you guys around my room. Andrew, does the lighting look decent?
Yes.
Wait. Do I have a muffin top? I just gotta suck it in the whole time. This is so sad.
Okay,
I ate 2 huge pancakes this morning. What part of my room do you think I should start out with? What do you think is the nicest part? Well, actually, let me just go off by saying the first thing I did to redo my room is I painted my walls from a green color to this white color. And then after I did that, and I switched my bed from a queen bed into my king mattress, which I have over here. And my bed used to be on this corner. My bed used to be like this rectangle right here. My bed was here, and now it's here. This is not my phone.
Ah, I can't see.
Mike Sugondies texted you.
Yeah.
Who's that? Who's Sugondies? Okay, anyways though, I moved my bed underneath my window. I know that you're not supposed to do this with feng shui because they say that if you lay like this in the bed, then all of your like good vibes go straight out of the damn window. Right, Andrew? Also, I shouldn't have my mirror be facing that way either, but it's fine. It's totally fine. So I have my little plants. These ones we found on the side of the road. And then we took them and now they're inside my house. But yeah, so I really actually like to have my bed underneath here because every morning, as you guys know, I start a lot of my videos. Here's me in the morning. Here's me opening up my window. Also, this plant I stole from my sister Amber. So that's Amber's big hanging plant. I don't know what any of these plants are called. I also have a plant over here. This one, that one cost me like $30 or something. Do you remember when we bought that, Andrew? We went to the store.
40.
It was like 35. So that's that. Then I got my desk over here. This desk is from IKEA. I have a couple mirrors, laptop, planner.
Microphone.
I'm running out of my damn breath. I got this little guy. Oh, hi, you're so cute. Oh. And then I got a lamp, and then I got this chair, which is also from IKEA. My sewing machine is down there. Ew, there's like 5 hairs on top of my chair. Flower pot, plants, candle. This one's from Anthropology. It smells divine. Do you want to smell it, Andrew? I'll let the viewers smell it. It smells...
Yeah, that was good.
Okay.
It smelled really good.
Then I got my Yogi bow here. If you guys remember when I went to go get my
bow
Yogi
shopping.
bow, I went with Charles and Amber and we bought it at the store. And I'm kind of still too afraid to go on it. It's like a light color and I feel like I'm gonna stain it. But I actually do really like it and it like really actually supports my back if I'm like trying to like be editing. You know what I'm saying? Got this huge wooden dresser. Super heavy and hard to open. This is my like underwear drawer and stuff. I'm gonna stand on this side because that side of my face is TBH ugly as hell. These are like t-shirts and skirts. I'll open this. You can see it. T-shirts, skirts, and shorts. This one's my jean drawer. Jean. And then this one is my exercise clothing. Up here, I have, this is all of my makeup. This is all my jewelry that I own. Then I have like random,
old perfume.
Old perfume. These are from when I was in like 7th grade. They still smell good though, like I'm not even gonna lie. These little tiny Korean bears, those are my mom's. Oh, show the mirror. I got this circle mirror at Target.
Circle.
Wait, Andrew, can you show your shirt? That's so funny.
Well.
Bro, you're damn tired and I can tell. Come on, Andrew, you gotta bring the energy.
Let me sleep then.
Okay, yeah.
Let's talk about this rack.
Oh, thanks, Andrew. Oh, now we got the energy going. Okay, so now here's my rack.
Target.
No. So this is my
Clothing rack.
This is my clothing rack, and I like to put on my clothes that I'm truly feeling inspired by right now. I like to hang them up so that I can look at them more, really get the creative juices flowing, you know. I love this shirt. Thrift store clothes. This one I made myself. Isn't that funny? Oh god. And then this one I got, I feel like I talk about this shirt every time because it's like my favorite shirt. This one's from Eclat Vintage, which is an Etsy shop. This I got from Dolls Kill, but that's so awesome. So yeah, and then I got some shoes. Oh, my phone's on the ground. Then I got this rug. My rug is from IKEA.
Your closet.
Oh, I was gonna talk about my bed again. Andrew like
Yes.
comes in my room and just lays on my bed because it's so comfortable. It's literally like I just can't sleep in other beds after
They're
sleeping
too hard.
in it. And then I got this bed set. I really like to get jersey bed sets that, you know, like they feel like a t-shirt. So I got this one from Amazon. I'm gonna try to link all of them down below.
In the description.
Links in description. I'm trying to link as much stuff as I can just so you guys can find it. Also, let me mention that this came with bleach stains on it. It's from Urban Outfitters. It's like a waffle blanket. It's supposed to be like rustic. You know what I'm saying?
Edgy.
It's like edgy. Okay.
That's how I broke my bed frame. I like closed one of my curtains and then did that and my bed just snapped.
So here's my closet. Also look, I stuffed a little blanket into my cube. Isn't that so cute?
I love that blanket.
Yeah, that's my favorite blanket. It's so warm. It's from Marshall's. Here's my closet. I'm sure that this is what a lot of you guys came here to see. Actually, this This is like a scarf. These are just some of my bags that I keep right here on this little hook thing, and then I usually keep my door open, so they're usually pretty hidden. Should I turn on my closet light? But then it's gonna get weird.
No, that looks better.
It looks better? Okay. I'm literally so out of breath, like you don't understand. I feel like I'm running.
Here, I got it. Sweatshirts, sweaters.
More sweaters.
Bigger sweaters.
And I have some
All right.
sweatpants over there.
These are like her weird crop tops, I guess.
Yeah, those are my tank tops,
Dresses
crop tops.
in this corner, because Ashley doesn't wear dresses.
I do wear dresses.
Yeah, once in a while.
Long sleeves.
Got little coats and sheets.
How do you know how my closet's set up? I guess actually I know how your closet's set up. It's because we look in each other's
looked
closets
at it
sometimes.
and described it, Ashley.
Okay. Jackets.
That's it. Shoes on the bottom.
Then I got like random fabrics over there to
random
rework. Random stuff, kind of. Some shoes. I have like bikinis in there and things.
Yeah, it's lit.
Yeah, it's lit. So yeah, that's basically what my room looks like. Oh my god, his little butt is just sticking out.
Alright, I think that's all you got.
I think that's all I got, and there's my tripod and my
Yogi Bell.
everything. So yeah, that's literally
Everything.
that's just how my room looks. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to double tap the like button, double tap the subscribe button, and make sure to click confirm when I ask you to unsubscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Hope that you enjoyed. Peace.